Assalamu alaikum. I am Arya Suhail and I am serving here as an head of the Biochemistry department. Currently, I am doing PhD from School of Biological Sciences, University of the Punjab, Lahore, and I have also done my MPhil from there. I have joined this institute back in 2019 as a lecturer. Then I have promoted to head of the department in 2021. The main aim of this Biochemistry department that was established in 2016 was to make it a center of excellence in biochemistry, so that it can join a link between the biological problems and to train different students so that they can solve these biological problems by using their biochemical techniques and biochemical knowledge. The mission of this department is to give the complete conceptual ideas about the biochemical techniques that are used in different metabolism, and to train our students so that they can work in different reputed institutes. More than 100 students are enrolled in this department, and almost 50 students have submitted their thesis and passed on, and they are serving different institutes in different sectors, in educational sectors and also in different industries. Thank you.